kapulisan, simbahan at sambayanan. This is what the acronym Kasambayanan stands for, which was officially launched this Tuesday morning, March 15, 2022 at the Cebu Provincial Police Office grounds. The opening ceremony was led by Police Major General Rodolfo Azurin as well as Department of Interior and Local Government or DILG Cebu Province Director Juden Lucero. They both emphasized the need for a clean and honest May 2022 elections through the collaboration between members of the police, church, and community.
Ito is a peace and security program natin because I had been explaining to our church leaders na while there's a separation of the church and the state, pero itong mga church leaders kasi natin, they are still part of the community. And yung credibility kasi medyo mataas sa kanila. That's why we are engaging them to help us in the peace and security program.
That we are also engaging our PNP, no? As part of a very important role in peace and development. No, we cannot have development if we do not have peace.
Police Major General Azurin also requested all retired members of the police force to abstain from campaigning for the candidates they personally support to avoid bringing color to the PNP organization.
While we have our own preferences, we are not allowed to campaign openly sa kanila because the PNP or the armed services should always remain apolitical.
Meanwhile, the CPPO has already started monitoring areas under the possible election watch list in the province of Cebu.
We are just fortunate dito sa Cebu na alam naman natin lahat, wala tayong masyadong ina-anticipate na election-related violence.
Yes, may mga area tayo na binabalidate, but as of now, we will not be divulging yung ano.
They clarified, however, that they have not yet received any reports about the presence of new People's Army members joining campaign rallies in Cebu as of the moment. What they are looking into at present are the intense political rivalries in some areas in the province.
Ang politics naman laging hotly contested dyan especially from mayor, just sa local na. Pero wala akong ina-anticipate na tatawid ito ng violence. So, yun lang ang ano natin.
This has been Sheriza Uy from my TV Cebu.